Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover the euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on this 2-hour time frame and overall on the daily time frame, we have basically a sideways very defined trading range between 1.0275 and 1.0100 area. And what we got here is basically that market on the way up, it made lots of the swings and made more like a rising wedge, very well defined trend lines. And basically we can see that this morning we have a breakout to the downside. So my expectation is the price can back to the mid area and potentially even back all the way to test the low. So basically I will say watch for selling opportunities with some downside objectives at 1.0180, let's say 190 and 1.0110. Again, the rejection of the top of this trading range and also the breakout of this rising wedge and this upper trend line, lower trend line, we have a good confirmation that market can continue to go lower. So downside opportunities are preferable under this condition. Speaking of the gold market from other side, we can see basically just that market is still holding the, originally we had a breakout yesterday of this contraction here. So the breakout did, it played out at some degree, and the market went almost like $10 or $13, but market is still holding and building higher lows. So gold is still holding relatively well. There is no any kind of the breakout at this stage. We even didn't test the major lows, swing lows in the background, which are sitting around 1785, 1786. So this will be the key levels that we didn't test. Market had this pop up in the morning all the way to 1780, but we never went to 1785, 1786. We're still building the higher lows, so if we can find and start to build more, I think buying the pullbacks on the gold seems like a reasonable choice. And again, watch for buying opportunities with upside objectives 1785, maybe 1790 or even 1800 mark. Speaking of the crude oil market, we have the breakout of the contraction. So let me go to the daily time frame and show you this. We had a down day yesterday, and basically this bar went through like last 4 or 5 bars and closed on the low. And we can see if the market will have power to clear this pin bar low. This will be a critical 90.60 level. If we can go and clear even that, we can open the door for potential lower prices and maybe test of 85.50 mark. This is the situation how it looks like on a 2-hour time frame. I can see basically that market is building some kind of contraction. It's still kind of volatile. I would like to see more market to become more to tighten even more, but this is definitely some basing process. So if there will be a downside breakout, if we start to clear, we can always place the trend lines and stuffs. If we start to clear this area, let's say 92.50, then we can open the door for sell-off towards a 90.57, and then later to open the door for 85.50 mark. Based on this area, if we project 13% potential of the breakout, this can even lead to the lower prices, maybe 80, 81, 85. So again, now we have this consolidation. And again, watch for the breakout of this tight consolidation. We start a bigger breakout of this bigger triangle. Now we have a smaller one. So we'll see if the markets start to clear upside, then it will negate at that point this downside breakout. And Bitcoin versus US dollar is still in the pullback mode. We had some very key important pivot low at 22,600 mark. And again, market is it's building. The momentum is not that strong, so can see also this trend line is doing a job of building a support, so we might see some kind of the wedging pattern, but still watch for potential breakout in order to confirm further rise, maybe even towards the 25,000 mark, again 24,500 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, and as always, trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.